Rob is here and he says, how about soybeans going forward? Looks like they're on a cliff. It does, I'll tell you something, Rob. We're concerned about the larger picture for soybeans. They really haven't acted well since the high was put in. And we are close to putting in a reflected wave monthly bottom in soybeans. And so we're going to use that when that gets triggered as our next larger picture reason to be long in soybeans. But they just haven't acted very well. We've had a couple of nice trades recently and on the long side, but I'm not really comfortable as we get closer to the reflected wave bottom on the monthly chart. I'm not comfortable being long until they put that monthly bottom in. There might be some situation that comes up that really makes it clear that we could be long, but I am concerned, let's just put it that way, about the soybean market. Let me bring them up real quick and I'll show you. So here's the monthly chart. So we've had a hell of a decline off the highs. I mean, it seems like a lot more than I remember the market coming down. When I look at this chart, I see that we made a high here in May of this year. And in my mind, I didn't have them this far down on the monthly chart, but that's exactly where they are. Let's shrink this up a little bit so you can see. So that's, that's a pretty good decline. We still have a little bit further that would have to go in order for the monthly or the daily chart or monthly chart to give us a bottom. But you can see here, the daily chart has just been, at least, let me go back here a little bit. So this is really, this is why, because when I look at the daily chart, you don't see them, this is we had the big sharp decline, and then we've had this chip shop back and forth. Very, very, not really our cup of tea, in trading. But we have, right in here, we had the long up to 1304 and then the short and so on. But it's not really our interest to do that. They're just not acting very well. And the next important bottom will be a monthly bottom in that market. I have some work to do on that to see if I can find any other thing that might be there.